If you and I are both single by the time we're 40, we get married.
Oh, you want me to be your backup?
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, I already have one.
What? Who?
Phoebe.
Phoebe? Wait, but she said Joey is her backup.
Hey, Phoebe, we're both your backup?
Phoebe, how could you do this to me?
Phoebe, you can't have both of them. You have to pick one.
Pick me.
No, pick me. I don't want to end up an old maid.
Ross is a good father. But Joey has a boat. This is hard.
This is crazy. Hey, look, I want to switch to Rachel.
Ooh, I want to switch to Rachel, too.
No, wait. Okay, just wait. You guys, don't make any rash decisions, okay? Just...
All right, you know what? I know how to settle this. All right, here, this is what we're going to do. And that person is going to be our backup. Okay?
Okay.
Pick one. Left.
Ross?
Joey. We should just switch.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.